Waking up in the middle of the night to use the bathroom is a common problem. It's called nocturia. Nocturia disrupts our sleep, making it difficult to get the rest we need. This can happen once or multiple times a night, leading to fragmented sleep. When our sleep is disrupted, we don't feel rested. This lack of rest can affect our mood and energy levels throughout the day. This makes us tired during the day, impacting our productivity and overall well-being. It can also make it hard to focus, leading to mistakes and decreased performance in daily tasks. Nocturia can be caused by many things, including lifestyle habits and medical conditions. These include drinking too much fluid before bed, which increases the need to urinate during the night. Some medications can also cause nocturia. It's important to review your medications with your doctor. As we age, our bladders may not hold as much urine, making nighttime trips to the bathrooms more frequent. This can also lead to nocturia, especially in older adults. If you are experiencing nocturia, you should talk to your doctor. They can help identify the cause and suggest appropriate treatments. There are treatments that can help manage nocturia, ranging from lifestyle changes to medications. Your doctor can help you find the best treatment for you, ensuring you get a better night's sleep and improve your quality of life. Magnesium is an important mineral. It helps our bodies function properly. Magnesium helps our muscles relax. It also helps our nerves work properly. Magnesium can even help us sleep better. Magnesium can be helpful for people with nocturia. Magnesium can help relax the bladder muscles. This may help reduce the urge to urinate during the night. Magnesium can also improve sleep quality. This can help reduce the number of times you wake up at night. Studies have shown that magnesium can be helpful for people with nocturia. One study found that people who took magnesium supplements had fewer nighttime bathroom trips. They also slept better overall. The good news is that it's fairly easy to make sure you are getting enough magnesium. This essential mineral plays a crucial role in many bodily functions, including muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, and blood pressure regulation. You can get magnesium from many different foods. Incorporating a variety of these foods into your diet can help you meet your daily magnesium needs. Good sources of magnesium include leafy green vegetables such as spinach and kale. These vegetables are not only rich in magnesium but also packed with other essential nutrients. Nuts and seeds such as almonds and pumpkin seeds are also good sources of magnesium. They make for a healthy and convenient snack option. You can also take magnesium supplements. These are especially useful if you find it difficult to get enough magnesium from food alone. Magnesium supplements are available in pill and powder form. This allows you to choose the option that best fits your lifestyle and preferences. If you are considering taking magnesium supplements, talk to your doctor. They can provide personalized advice based on your health needs. They can help you determine the right dose for you. It's important to get the correct amount to avoid any potential side effects. Another way to increase your magnesium intake is to take Epsom salt baths. This method is not only effective but also incredibly relaxing. Epsom salt is a type of magnesium sulfate. It has been used for centuries to relieve muscle pain and stress. When added to a bath, it can be absorbed through the skin. This allows for a direct and soothing way to boost your magnesium levels. This can help relax muscles and improve sleep. A good night's sleep is essential for overall health and well-being. Magnesium is generally safe for most people to take. It plays a crucial role in many bodily functions, including muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, and blood pressure regulation. However, it is important to talk to your doctor before taking magnesium supplements. Your doctor can help you determine the right dosage and ensure it won't interfere with any medications you may be taking. This is especially important if you have any underlying health conditions, such as kidney disease or heart issues, as magnesium can affect these conditions. Taking too much magnesium can cause side effects. It's essential to follow the recommended dosage on the supplement label or as advised by your healthcare provider. These side effects include diarrhea, which can be quite uncomfortable, nausea, and stomach cramps. These symptoms are usually mild but can be severe if too much magnesium is taken. If you experience any of these side effects, stop taking magnesium and talk to your doctor immediately. They can provide guidance on how to manage these symptoms. The recommended daily intake of magnesium is 400 to 420 milligrams for men and 310 to 320 milligrams for women. These amounts can vary based on age and health status. You can get magnesium from food and supplements. Foods rich in magnesium include nuts, seeds, leafy green vegetables, and whole grains. You can also increase your magnesium intake by taking Epsom salt baths. The magnesium in Epsom salts can be absorbed through the skin. Talk to your doctor to determine the right amount of magnesium for you. They can help you find the best sources and forms of magnesium to meet your needs.